Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a savings challenge with our Monday mini savings. Stay tuned. All right, and I have these 6 place cards set down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll be rolling this dice, and each time today, every time I get a number, each one will get 2 bills as I go through with this challenge. And how is your wonderful Monday going today? Today I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $30. Let's hide this one. All right. And how is your day going on this lovely Monday? We are in the second week already in March. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. It's a mini Monday. I try to keep these very short. Okay, wait. You know what? Let me do this. I'll do 2 at a time. Okay, so that's number 3 and number 1. Both getting 2 bills. Okay, and then we got number 2 and number 1. They'll both get 2 bills. All right, number 4, number 2, number 5, number 3. Somehow I don't remember rolling 3, but I guess I did. Okay, number 1, number 4. Sometimes something might not get anything, but that's okay. I like to keep it random, and it did. Every time I say that. So far, I've been batting 100. They always get something. Everything does. Okay. All right. I should have did. No, I have to cancel that. Okay, I'm just going to use this one. Okay, and that's the number 5. All right, so let me get this. See what challenge got what, because I keep my challenges inside of the binder till I get this part together. All right. So let's get these up, put them in order. All right, so that's the number 6. And I use these. These are actually over in my Ko-Fi shop, just so you can keep yourself organized when you're playing this game, because there's different ways you can do it, but this is a way that I keep myself organized while doing this. All right, let's move that here as well. And I like doing these little mini challenges because it gives me a way to make sure I'm hitting my goals, especially if I have something left over in my budget. And I just had to recently start back doing, stuff in my cash envelopes because my grocery bills have gotten out of control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this number 1 spot. And they do coordinate the cards. So you have the one that you can stick in here and the one that you can have here. And it's over on Ko-Fi, so it's a freebie. All right. All right, so I just did 6 today. Oh, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let me get 6 of these marked off. And this is actually my challenge. I use challenges by different creators on most of my saving challenge videos I do actually. So this is 6. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, that's perfect so far. Okay. Got a lot of ones here. A lot of ones. All right, and hopefully we can get through these and get these all finished up by the end of the month. And last month I was just going through making sure everything got filled, but this month I'm just gonna add a new one as I go. If something finishes today, it'll just have a new challenge. 1, 2, 3, $4 here in this number 2 spot. And this is a challenge by Breezy Budgets. Each icon is worth 2, and it got $4. So I can mark off 1, 2 of these. And it says in my matcha era. That's my obsession right now is the matcha for the antioxidants. And tea is just supposed to be good for you anyway. But they say it's like 20 times more than regular caffeine. I have to look it up exactly. But in here, this number, did I just pull this money out of here? Okay, no, I'm sorry, that was wrong. Okay, let me pull out the challenge. Okay, so this challenge is by Doodle Dollars. And it's like it did pretty good last week. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 more dollars today. So this one you can do 3 each time. Each icon is worth 3. So let me mark off one. Let me see exactly how much we have here because I didn't mark off all of it last week. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there should be 5 at least. Okay, there's 5 marked off. So it's starting off to an excellent start. All right, this one got another 5. This is the number 4 spot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 for this one. And this challenge is by Toya Denise Budgets. Let's say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and they got $10 today. And each icon is worth 2. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it should be like $12. It's $13, but once I get the extra, I can cross that off. Anyway, so this one's getting off to a good start. And all of these are like either freebies that I saw over on Ko-Fi, or it's like something that I saw on Etsy. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the number 5 spot. And let's see. The creator here is Teacher Mom Budgets. And this one got 4 more today. So let's mark that 1, 2, 3, and 4. Get this money put away, and this one saves $20. It's Teacher Mom Budgets. She is on Ko-Fi, and she has a YouTube channel. All right, this next one, Budget by Tina. I found this on Ko-Fi, and I will have all of these linked. So I need to get scratch off another 2 here. I will have all of these linked. I got this on Ko-Fi, and there's an Etsy channel. I usually just tag what their Etsy channel is, and that's how I've been doing it. Anyway, let me know how you're doing with your savings. Let me know if you like doing your mini Mondays. And until next time, make sure you have a great day. All right, bye.